Shit nga, nung ina-add ko lang sa'yo.
Nagsabat pa ako sa'yo.
Nailang gasha. Panoorin niyo.
What is the most memorable experience that you've ever had in Araneta?
Parang tanga lang. Parang nakakangyan. Nakaisip ka na. Memorable sa Araneta. Tapos yung mga sneaky link ko, yung pagtakas ko, uwi ako ng morning, magpapay ako ng bills, ano ba yun? Adulting shit. Ano ba? Ano ba? Pwede next question na.
Okay. What do you most look forward to in living in Manila for 4 years with us?
Tulog. No, kwenta. Ano baga? Mag-grow tayo together. Alam mo, pinaka nilook forward ko. Pupunta tayo sa grocery or kaya mamamalengke tayo together. Yun yung nilook forward ko talaga. Okay, yun lang.
Okay.
My turn na.
What is your most memorable experience here in Araneta?
Yung ano, yung pag nag-grocery tayo, tapos kailangan pa natin, i-budget yung pera. Tapos yung mga kinakain natin, kung ano-ano lang. Tapos, puro junk foods. Ayun. Tapos yung pagtakas ni Kirsten.
Wait lang ako.
Wait
lang?
Every midnight. Ako nga eh. Shit nga, nung ina-add ko lang sa'yo.
Nagsabat pa ako sa'yo. Okay.
Okay.
Next question is, what do you most look forward to in living in Manila for 4 years with us?
Sa buong 4 years, gusto ko yung mag-iipon tayo, tapos magta-travel tayo. Yun yung gusto ko. Kasi yung maraming like every month, may ganap tayo. Big party, ganun. Yun lang.
Okay.
So, what is your most memorable experience here in Araneta?
Give me the mic, bitch. The most memorable experience I've ever had in Araneta.
In Manhattan.
Yung freedom. Dito ko na-feel yung freedom na I can make my own decisions na iniisip ko may consequences siya, pero I was reckless. I was able to feel reckless during my teenage years. Kasi hindi ko siya na-feel kahit saan. Sa Araneta ko lang naranasan maging reckless as a teenager. Yun lang.
Most look forward to in the next 4 years of us living together in Manila.
I look forward to seeing you guys going through hardships and helping each other. Like, gusto ko makita na nahihirapan tayo tapos nagtutulungan tayo. Tapos nakikita ko nag-graduate tayo sabay-sabay. Oh, tapos 4 years. So, ibang klaseng tao na tayo.
Yeah,
Like, legit.
Ano ba yung tsura natin?
Okay, bye!
Bakit na yung nailang gasha. Panoorin niyo.
Naiyak ako! Hindi ko kasi gagawin. Ibang-iba na talaga tayo. Hindi na tayo ganito Hindi na tayo ganito ka-immature. Mas matured na tayo. Iba na yung isip natin.
This is my last night with Kristen and Anya because I'm gonna die tomorrow.
This is our last night here in Araneta. Babalik na lang kami dito as bisita.
Today is June 4, 2025.
And this is the first anniversary din. Nung unang punta namin dito. June 4, 2024 was our first time. And June 4, 2025 is our last night here.
Imagine mo ba, like
Let's go.
last year, exactly last year na last night na natin dito, di ba?
Like, damn, girl.
Psycho.